How big is the galaxy really? Welcome to the Understanding the Universe channel. In today's episode, we're diving into how big is the galaxy really? Get ready to explore one of the most mind-blowing and unsettling truths about our cosmos, a discovery that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of the universe together. Ever looked up at the night sky, spotted the stars twinkling, and thought, wow, this universe is big? Well, brace yourself, because today we're diving into just how big our home galaxy, the Milky Way, really is. Spoiler alert, it's so massive, it might just blow your mind. But don't worry, all this cosmic-sized info will be served up with a bit of fun. So stick with us as we explore one of the most awe-inspiring questions in the universe. First up, let's give a proper introduction to our galactic home. The Milky Way is a colossal, spiral-shaped disk of stars, planets, gas, and dust spinning through space. It's like the ultimate cosmic pancake, graceful, beautiful, and absolutely enormous. Here's a fun fact to get us started. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years across. Let that sink in for a second. That's the distance light would travel in 100,000 years, and light moves fast. At around 300,000 kilometers per second, yes, per second, it's the fastest thing in the universe. So imagine light zooming around like a cosmic Ferrari, and even that would take 100,000 years to get from one side of our galaxy to the other. We're talking about a scale that makes even thinking about it feel like we're working out our brain muscles. But hey, we're just getting started. Now, what exactly is the Milky Way packing into all that space? For starters, it's absolutely stuffed with stars. Over 100 billion of them. Yep, 100 billion. And that's not counting all the planets, moons, black holes, gas clouds, and the occasional overly curious alien life form. Let's put that in perspective. Imagine counting stars like you're counting jelly beans in a jar, a really big jar. If you counted one star per second, it would take you over 3,000 years to get through them all. Better grab some snacks, because that's a long project. Also, the galaxy is not just a big pile of randomness, it has structure. The Milky Way has a dense, glowing center, which we call the galactic core. Surrounding that, we've got these graceful spiral arms that extend outward like arms spinning on a galactic pinwheel. And tucked away in one of these arms is our own humble solar system, casually hanging out among all that grandeur. Okay, so 100,000 light-years is so big it almost sounds unreal. Let's shrink it down to something we might actually understand. Imagine that our entire solar system, the Sun, all the planets, Pluto, yes, we still love you, Pluto, is the size of a shiny coin. If that's our solar system, the Milky Way would be the size of the United States. That's right. Take that tiny coin and place it somewhere in a landmass spanning coast to coast. That's how small we are compared to the entire galaxy. Or how about this? If you hopped in your car today and started driving across the Milky Way at a steady speed of 100 kilometers per hour, about average highway speed, it would take you, 1,000 billion years to make the trip. Better bring some good audiobooks. Let's not forget the 100 billion stars we mentioned earlier. In those stars likely lie trillions of planets. Statistically, some of those could be Earth-like planets, and who knows? Maybe one of them has someone sitting there right now making this same video about their galaxy. Ever heard of the Drake equation? It's a famous attempt to estimate how much intelligent life could be out there. With this many stars, the possibilities almost make our heads spin. But even when we think about these possibilities, we're still surrounding a fraction of what really exists in the cosmos. Our sun, by the way, is no galactic celebrity. It's just one of those billions of stars, casually parked about 26,000 light-years away from the galactic core. Imagine yourself on a galactic map. You are here, far from the bustling center of action. And let's be honest, That's probably for the best. The center of the Milky Way is a hectic place filled with intense energy, radiation, and chaos. No quiet suburbs there. Just when you think the Milky Way's scale is enough to call it a day, we realize it's not the only galaxy out there, not even close. The Milky Way is just one galaxy in the local group, a gathering of over 50 galaxies. Our closest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is bigger than the Milky Way and is on a slow-motion collision course with us. But don't panic, it'll be a few billion years before that happens. And beyond our local group, trillions of galaxies fill the observable universe. That's right, trillions. Take everything we've just said about the Milky Way, multiply that by trillions, and you've got just a faint idea of how vast the universe really is. So, why should we care about the absurd size of the Milky Way? Apart from giving us something cool to talk about at parties, it's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. Despite its massive scale, the Milky Way is still our home. Everything we've ever known, every story told, every song sung, every slice of cake eaten, happened here, inside this one galaxy. Understanding the true size of the galaxy also fuels our curiosity about what lies beyond. It reminds us to ask bold questions. Are we alone? What surprises does the universe still have in store for us? Wow, we've gone from coins to cosmic pinwheels, from light-speed road trips to galactic pancakes. We've learned that the Milky Way isn't just big, it's big beyond big. Before we let you go, imagine this. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember that all those stars you're seeing are just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Above and beyond, the Milky Way is a sprawling masterpiece of unimaginable proportions, and we're lucky to call it home. Feeling inspired? We'd love to hear which fact about the Milky Way blew your mind the most. Drop us a comment below or share your favorite cosmic wonder with us. And don't forget, this is just one video of many exploring the awesome mysteries of our universe. Stay curious, and who knows, maybe one day we'll boldly go beyond this galaxy to explore others. Thank you for watching, and we truly appreciate your time and curiosity in exploring the wonders of the cosmos with us. Your support means the world and inspires us to keep creating content that sparks curiosity and expands knowledge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys into the universe. Together, let's keep learning, exploring, and unlocking the secrets of the stars. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.